What's up guys, so today this is me Ritesh on our science channel. Today we're doing a DIY avalanche kit, so make your own fates. Okay, avalanche mountain kits. What does it say back here? So this is all the things or items that we're going to be using. 1 bag of sodium polycrate, whatever that says, instant snow, 1 scoop, 1 tray, an instruction manual. Sometimes I have to use that voice. I said open right there. I think we're going to be needing a pair of scissors for this. So this is the snow powder apparently, and this is the scoop we're going to be using. Just scoop this up. So basically this is what's going to happen. We're going to scoop the snow powder up and put it over here basically, and then we're going to put some water on it or something. Okay, instruction time. Explore the science of instant snow. Create snow and watch an avalanche happen right before your eyes. Avalanche mountain. Place instant snow in. I'm sorry. Place instant snow inside the mountaintop. Place your instant snow inside the mountaintop. Basically, this little thing. Into snow. Instant snow. This powder will instantly turn to snow once you add water. Oh, okay, so we're gonna be needing this, I guess. Or let's just keep it on our desk. And that's basically it. I wasn't expecting this to be that short because on the thing it shows it bigger. So guys, we have 1 try. If I fail this, we're done for. Let me look at this again. Place my instance. Then why need this? We could just put it inside here. Okay. Time to put. Open. Trust me, I'm not a professional. Slow and steady. That's not slow. That's not steady. That's not slow or steady. I don't care. I'm going to be cleaning this whole thing up anyways. Time for the water. I think I'll put some water on here. That's too much water. Whatever. Oh my god! Is that it? You know what, more? That's too much. Excuse me? Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh. Wow, wait, hold on. Let me touch this thing. This looks like foam, and this is this foam? Is this? No, this is definitely foam. Guys, take a look at this. Okay, so we have this here, this looks crazy, okay, well not that much. And this is what we done. And I don't know how. Guys, it's snowing. How about we put more water? More water should do it. Ooh, now it's turning into slush. Holy. This is actually cool. I didn't put water on the outside too. More. It's starting to come out like what it's supposed to be. It's starting to come out like what it's supposed to be. I messed up. I really messed up. I turned everything into slush. Put inside. This is a snow mountain, guys. It's not an avalanche anymore. It's a mountain of snow. That's what I can do right now. More water. Man, I'm gonna put this more. I feel like it's still growing. Holy slush, this is slush, guys. Take a good look of slush or snow. Well, I don't care about that because I'm not the one who's going to be cleaning this whole entire thing. I feel like I want to eat this. Should I try eating it? I love this thing. Okay, guys, time for the review. I will give this. I will give this 8.5 out of 10. That's what I would give this. And that's it for the video, guys. Like and subscribe. Bye.